The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for portions of Harris County and Montgomery County, effective this Monday morning and evening from 11:30 a.m. until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Primary threats include a couple tornadoes possible, scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles per hour likely, isolated large hail events to 1.5 inches in diameter possible. Clusters of strong to severe thunderstorms will likely develop rapidly northeast across the Houston region this afternoon. Scattered damaging winds are likely and a couple tornadic storms will be possible.
You ain't shown me no love, so I turn my back to you. Yeah. I can't get no racks to you. I don't really care, cause I'm done. All the real love is not fun. There's no emotion on my face, cause I'm numb. You see me everywhere you look, no, you can't hide or run. Get out this.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for central Harris County until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:05 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 3 miles north of downtown Houston, moving south at 90 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf-sized hail. Source: radar indicated tornado.
As you can see in the radar, several weather is going on throughout the Houston metro. A tornado was just confirmed in the city of Houston. Residents living north of downtown Houston and the surrounding areas should take shelter immediately. We are getting reports of catastrophic damage in North Houston, and disturbingly we are getting reports of buildings being wiped off and the concrete slab remaining. Hold up, we are having technical issues.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service and the Houston Emergency Management. At 3:05 Central Standard Time, a major tornado was detected ravaging through the city of Houston. Local officials are advising you to take shelter immediately. Find the lowest ground of the house or the most central room in the house to use as a shelter. The National Weather Service is reporting catastrophic damage in the north and downtown Houston area. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado emergency for the city of Houston until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Again, find the lowest ground in your home and take shelter. If you do not have a basement, go to the most interior part of your home. Do not leave your shelter until local officials give all clear signal.